Hello and welcome back everyone, it's Totalxclipse here, and today we're going to explain smart splitters and why they're so useful. But before we get into the video, if you do find this helpful, please do drop a thumbs up, and also if you want to see more guides, do make sure you click the subscribe button. Anyway, smart splitters are a fantastic way in which you can use a splitter to sort items according to the name, which allows you to set up more complicated buses and use space much more effectively in your factories, as well as being able to create a basic switch function and also create an item sorter. So they have lots of uses. Here you can actually see how we've split concrete, screws and iron rods between 3 conveyors using one smart splitter. Now with this in mind, let's actually apply it to a factory example. So here we are at our test build. Now it looks a little complicated, but once it runs you will understand it, I assure you. So what we have here are 3 item feeds, the storage units, which according to their use will either be split to be manufactured or sent back to storage. So let's get started. So as you can see, we've got iron ingots currently being made into iron rods and also limestone being constructed into cement. Then the constructors are merged together and sent back to the storage unit. Now once all of these have created their items that they have, we'll find that all of the new items are being sent round on the other circuit because they're not in use at the moment. This is actually really useful because what it allows us to do is to create a switch function so that we can change what we're constructing without needing to swap all the conveyor belts around. Now in order to do this, all we need to do is jump down and then click on here. Here we have the outputs, and we're going to say that actually we don't need to create any more concrete. So in place we will actually create screws. Once we've done that, we have the iron rods going round. We're just going to need to change limestone to iron rods. Now with that, we have a new system where we're having screws being constructed and again going to the storage areas. So one last thing I wanted to demonstrate with you today with smart splitters is putting them all on a central bus and then using the smart splitters as a sorter to actually split all your items so they have further uses in your factory. So in order to create a smart splitter, you're going to need a motor, an AI limiter, as well as 3 reinforced iron plates. In order to get these, you need to research the Caterium research tree. You do that by finding some Caterium and then researching it and then following on all the other steps. I think it goes on to advanced electronics and so on. Now that's all we have time for in this video. If you did like it or found it helpful, please do drop a thumbs up. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. And one last thing, if anyone knows where a turbo motor is, because you can't create them just yet, I would be grateful if you could mention in the comment section, because I am trying to build one of these and it's really annoying. Anyway guys, thank you very much once again for watching. I hope you have a good day. Ciao for now.